Good morning, guys, from Phnom Penh, Cambodia. It is 7 a.m. and I'm just exploring the central area of Phnom Penh, Cambodia. We're just gonna walk around and see what people do on a Monday morning. I said 7 p.m. It is 7 a.m. Sorry. We're gonna walk down some of these streets and see what people are up to and what they look like. This is close to the red light district in Cambodia, but it is a Monday morning, much more different than a night, obviously. So let's see what we find. Okay, so we got a shop, a hair salon, and obviously we got your local foods here. We got a coffee stand. Got a lot of little restaurants. Your tuk-tuk drivers, look at the chaos. It's the big Southeast Asian city vibes here in Cambodia and Phnom Penh. And of course we got the wires. It wouldn't be big Asian city vibes if we didn't have the wiring on top, the crazy wiring. This looks like a little bit chaotic over here. Let's check this out. And of course we got the motorcycle, the scooters. Yeah, go ahead, buddy. The excessive honking for no reason. I don't get it, but it is what it is. This looks like a little market area. We got fruits here, produce, and we got some fish. Some pretty alive fish. It was moving on the ground. It's always interesting to see the markets in Southeast Asian towns and cities. So it's so interesting just to see what they're selling and how they do things, especially on a Monday morning when everyone's hustling around. Look at these fish, they're just freshly caught, I guess. Those fish are alive. This is pretty popular. Some kind of dried meat. More fish, octopus, freshly caught. And products. Let's actually walk back down here. Continuing on, guys. I know I already showed this, but it's just so cool to see all the wiring here. It's so interesting. Look at these houses. I guess these are people's homes, little apartments. And all these motorcycles. Let's see what we have down here. Just see people's daily lives. We got a food stand. We got a little coffee shop. Cafe, food, tea, and eatery. I might try a coffee actually. That's a good idea. Let's get a coffee. Let's cross the road here. These are the prices here in Phnom Penh, around the central area. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Maybe we'll go in here. Why not? I just got my coffee. A latte, an iced latte, at the Lucky Cafe coffee shop. It was $2.50 US, and obviously it's a premium option, more of a premium option here in Phnom Penh. It is by a popular road. You can definitely find it for a lot cheaper, for sure. I seen them go as low as $1 on the streets. So, but it was the first shop I saw, and I really wanted coffee, so I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna grab it here. I didn't really think about it. Pretty good. Yeah, Cambodia, specifically Phnom Penh, has been quite interesting. A lot of tuk-tuks, a lot of motorcycles. Obviously, it's a big Southeast Asian city. But coming in from Thailand, it seemed like it was a very undeveloped, poor country, and it is. It's on the list of, least undeveloped countries. But obviously, getting into the big city, this must be where all the main GDP is. It's inhabited by 2 million people. Yeah, pretty interesting stuff. But seems like they are very nice people, Cambodian people, and that's really cool. I'm gonna finish this coffee and we can continue our tour around the central area. Okay guys, I just finished that coffee and I was looking on my Google. This is the Phnom Penh area, and it's a very busy area here in Phnom Penh. Just continuing my walk now. Looks like it got a little bit more busy. Let's see, should I go down here? Yeah, let's actually walk down there. Or maybe not. Now let's continue walking down. Looks like a little restaurant. The little restaurants have been averaging about $1.50 US to $2 US. And the big restaurants about $3.50 to $4. I've seen prices go up to $8 in the red light district here. So definitely get the cheaper option. I'd say around $2 is good if you're down here and trying to find a good bite to eat. Also, get out of the main street areas like this, where you see more locals sitting down and eating. That's where you find the really cheap restaurants. And I'm gonna walk down this way. Looks like this is a busy area. Let's see what is going on down here. And yeah, it is very sunny at the moment. Oh yeah, we got a lot of people down there. So let's see what is going on down there. Okay, so I made it over here, and it's a little market area. As you can see, they are selling their fish. And I think, for me at least, maybe I don't think I would have a strong stomach to eat fish that's been sitting out in the sun for a long time. I'm sure people here in Cambodia are probably used to it, but I don't think my stomach would accept that very well. I would probably get sick. Maybe we can enter here and see what's going on here. As you can see, a very local area to eat. Wow. Very interesting. This is very local. Yeah, this is the local side of Phnom Penh. Everyone looks at me while I'm walking through here with a camera filming myself and filming them. I guess it's still kind of weird to see someone with a camera. It's like, what is this guy doing here? What is this foreigner doing here? And yeah, there's all kinds of little shops, cosmetic shops, as we walk down here. Let's circle back. Maybe let's exit. But yeah, very interesting to see the way of life here. Sugarcane juice. I've had my fair share of sugarcane juice already. But you must try that while you are out here. It's hello, how are you? Let's see.
This one very nice place.
Okay.
Seal Island, Golden Temple, Golden Boat among the temple, Big Mekong River, very nice.
I have a question. Okay, let's continue on. I was talking to him. He's gonna set up a tour for me tomorrow to one of the slums here in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh. Ooh, it is so hot. So my routine has been come out in the morning, walk for a little bit, film a video, go back to my hotel, do some editing, relax, maybe take a nap, and then go out again in the evening time because it is just so hot to be out all day, obviously. You don't want to do that. Thank you. Wow, this is a very busy area, as you can see. We got some ducks. Yeah, this is crazy. This is a weekend day here in Cambodia. See Phnom Penh, Peak Saint Siem Reap. Wow, that is a culture shock, guys. That's kind of chilling. I get my skin tingles just walking through there because it's so something new, something like I've never seen. I mean, I've seen markets in Thailand, but I don't think I've seen something so local. But I know there is super local markets in Thailand, just didn't see them. But that was pretty amazing, pretty cool. It is very hot, as you can see. Thank you, sorry. Let's walk down this way and see if there's anything worth checking out over here. I mean, everything is worth checking out. But this is towards the boardwalk. We can actually walk down here. Margarita, $2 margarita. Okay, so there's not much going on here, over here. So I'm actually gonna go to the next street and I'll see you guys here shortly. Okay, so I decided to come back and walk towards my hotel. But yeah, this is pretty much as busy as it gets. It's like a local market here in Phnom Penh. Got some sugar cane. Some tuk-tuks. Fruits. It is hot. We got a nice little restaurant here. Oh yeah, you can see the mist blowing. Feels good. At night, this gets very busy with bars opening. A lot of places to sit down and drink a beer. You got some clubs, some rooftops. Yeah, guys. Just wanted to give you a little tour of the hustle and bustle of this area in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. As you can see, it's a very central, busy area. But I think that's gonna do it for this video. If you liked the video, please give it a like. Make sure and subscribe for more videos here in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh. And I will talk to you in the next one.